welcome back. It's Proud Dolph here. So now we're going to be going over on how you can make your profile picture and banner for your YouTube channel. So I'm just going to use Canva, and it's a free website. You don't need any subscriptions or anything. You can buy the pro version. I'm just using the free version. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to your search bar in Canva, and we're just going to start with a banner. So you're going to search up YouTube banner, and then we're going to start with like a blank template and then go from there. So over here there are multiple templates that you can use, and start off with that. Some are free, some you have to pay for. But here's just some templates. You can change like the color scheme, shuffle those up, or something like this. I'm personally, just so I know, and when you do want to switch your templates, just replace your current page. I'm just doing it like this. I'm just going to remove all this. Actually, I'm going to keep the text so I know where I want to have everything. But over here you can choose whatever elements. Since my theme basically revolves around wolves, I'm just going to search up wolves and gaming. So maybe I'm just probably going to add wolf or anything else that revolves around my personal branding. Now, if you're a gaming channel, of course you're probably gonna go towards more of a gaming channel aesthetic, and you can go on Pinterest or just look at other gaming channels and see how they format their banners just for some inspiration. See, I just found an icon out of a wolf. Probably just gonna add that here. My channel doesn't have anything too specific, but I believe where the text is, that's gonna show up for all devices. And I'm just gonna add these here, and then maybe a moon. I do add this one a lot when making my stuff. I don't know, it just seems very pretty. I like it a lot. But it does seem a little big, so. And you can center in place, you can lock it in place, you can change the colors over here. And yeah. So I'm just gonna go ahead and make this really quickly, and then we will get back and I will show you how to export this so you can add it to your YouTube channel. Alright, now that this is done, you're gonna want to press share, and then go to the downloads, and since we're on the free version, we're not going to use any transparency or anything, and I don't think you're going to need a transparent background at all, but you are going to share and download it and save this wherever you want to save it. And then you're going to go to your channel and then press customize channel. Once you're in your customized channel, you're going to go towards branding, and then for me, I'm going to change my banner. So you're going to go to your files, wherever you saved your image. Mine is in the downloads area, so I'm just going to use that. And then I'm going to press open, and then just adjust it to whatever you need. I don't really like the fact that the cloud is peeking on the main part of the banner, so I'm going to probably move that. So I'm just going to move this just a little bit more, and then download it again, and you can do this however many times you like until you are happy with your banner. Oopsie, let me see. Yep, I think I need to move it a little bit more. Alrighty. And you know what? This just and then of course you can delete what your older files, and this will give you a good idea where stuff is. I'm happy with this banner, so I'm going to keep it as is, or use this banner. And it, just to show you guys again, it shows you where it's viewable, and it'll give you like a viewpoint on what it'll look like on each device. This is what it looks like on a TV. This is what it looks like on a desktop, and this is what it looks like on, let's just say, a phone or like a tablet, I guess. Now, I'm not done, but I'm still gonna press publish just to save me some time. Okay, and now we are gonna go ahead on Canva again and search for YouTube profile picture. And then we're going to create a YouTube profile. You can do whatever you like. If you like drawing and stuff, you can make your own avatar, or you can have like a picture of yourself. I personally don't like any of these templates, so I'm just gonna free for all it, and I will get back to you once I'm done with it. Alright, now that I think I'm done, we're gonna download this. And we're gonna go to the channel customization again. We're gonna go to branding again, and then since I already have a profile picture there, I'm gonna press change, and then I am gonna go to wherever my PNG of my profile picture is, and then press open, and then adjust to whatever you need. I'm happy with how it shows up here, so I'm gonna press done, and then I'm gonna press publish. And then for a video watermark, you can once again go on Canva, search up YouTube watermark, and then make whatever you want. Personally, I'm just gonna change it and make the watermark my profile picture, just so it's easier for me. But you can make your own watermark and then follow the same steps. Once you make it, just download it and then change or add your watermark. You can have the watermark appear at the beginning of your video at a custom start time or the entire video. Personally, I'm going to add it to the entire video. And then once you're done, press publish. And you can go over to your channel, press refresh, and then you can see what everything looks like. If you're happy with it, you can keep it as is, and whenever you want to change it, you can change it again. But I think that is it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell on the way out, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, guys!